East Tennessee State University is a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship, where students can turn their dreams into reality. At ETSU, you'll create connections and gain hands-on experience thanks to partnerships with local businesses and industry experts. One great example is our brewing and distillation program. This cross-disciplinary program is powered through a unique partnership with Tennessee Hills Brewing and Distilling, a local business with a growing national footprint. The program combines courses in science, business, and history with hands-on experience through internships. Students leave the program prepared for careers ranging from marketing to business management to product development and distribution. As you can see, ETSU believes in empowering students to turn their ideas, passions, and knowledge into action. If you're interested in creating your own business, then our unique entrepreneurship minor helps remove all the guesswork. It covers everything from developing concepts to finding funding and equips students with the practical skills they need to succeed. Aspiring entrepreneurs also have access to another amazing resource, the ETSU Research Corporation's Innovation Lab. This high-tech business incubator provides a collaborative environment where tomorrow's leaders are developing innovative technologies and solutions to global issues. And if you love developing new ideas, the iBucks competition may be a perfect fit for you. Students work with mentors and industry leaders to create and pitch their own business ventures and bring entrepreneurial ideas to life. ETSU prepares students to graduate career-ready by giving them the tools they need to excel in a competitive marketplace. Join us at ETSU and become part of our community of innovation and entrepreneurship.